guys! Welcome to our YouTube food blog. Now let's start making on how to make the easy and delicious pineapple dream cake dessert. For the ingredients, we need 4 packs of graham cracker or any sweet biscuits. $200 grams of melted margarine. 150 grams of white sugar. 400 grams of whipping cream. 240 grams of soft unsalted butter. 280 grams of cream cheese. 600 grams of fresh pineapples. And for the last, we need 1 can of round pineapples. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the easy, delicious pineapple dream cake. For the first step, transfer all the graham cracker in a Ziploc plastic. Use a rolling pin to crush the graham and transfer in a bowl. Now repeat the same procedure to the remaining graham cracker. Now transfer the 1/4 of the crushed graham to the another bowl for our toppings and set aside. Now add the melted margarine to the crushed graham and mix it well. Grease your baking pan with a melted butter or a oil. Now transfer the buttered crushed graham to your baking pan. Spread it evenly. Use a spoon or your clean hands. For the next step, using a clean bowl, transfer the whipping cream to the bowl. Use a hand mixer in high speed until become a slightly thick butter. Now add the white sugar. Continue mixing for 3 minutes. Now add the cream cheese. Then set your hand mixer in medium speed. And for the last, add the soft butter. Continue mixing for 3 minutes. After mixing, then set aside. For the next step, slice your fresh pineapple into small cubes. Always remember, be careful of using knives. After slicing your pineapple into small cubes, transfer to the bowl with the mixture and mix it by using a spoon. Now pour the pineapple mixture to the crushed graham, then spread it evenly. Now sprinkle the crushed graham to the top of our pineapple mixture. Now add the round pineapples to the top. You can add red cherries to add more color to our pineapple dream dessert. Now put in the refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight and ready to serve. And now, this is our easy, delicious, creamy pineapple dream dessert. Serve it with a smile and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!